This video provides a step-by-step guide to register for the Google Cloud Study Jam. Use a professional Gmail ID. Avoid using the one you have already used for previous GCP events. Accept the terms and conditions. Enter the required details. Note that the institution name is MCTT. Open the link provided. On the top right corner, click Join. Simply sign in with Google. Once you are in, click on the profile and make your profile public. Now, click Next. Now we need to enter the publicly accessible link that gets generated. So this will be the publicly accessible link. So we need to type it over here. So for the demonstration purpose, I am copying it, but you guys need to type it. Acknowledge and agree and then submit it. That's it.